Kementerian Pertahanan Rusia mengatakan pasukannya menyerang lebih dari 90 sasaran militer di Ukraina semalam dan menewaskan sedikitnya 500 tentara musuh. Juga menghancurkan puluhan kendaraan lapis baja, artileri dan peralatan militer lainnya. Otoritas Ukraina belum merespon pernyataan resmi Kementerian Pertahanan Rusia ini. Kementerian Rusia juga mengatakan pasukannya telah menyerang 2 depot amunisi di wilayah Kharkiv Timur Laut Ukraina. Selain itu, 2 peluncur sistem rudal anti-pesawat Buk M1 dan Osa AKM dihancurkan di dekat Veselo dan Prisip, serta 2 depot amunisi di dekat Novoselovka dan Slaviansk. Pasukan rudal dan artileri melakukan 1.299 tugas menembak pada siang hari, kata juru bicara Kementerian Pertahanan Rusia Mayor Jenderal Igor Konasenkov Selasa tanggal 26 April. Hasilnya sebanyak 37 pos komando, 114 titik kuat pasukan Ukraina, 983 area konsentrasi tenaga kerja dan peralatan militer, 139 posisi artileri Ukraina dan 21 depot amunisi terkena. Juga, 2 sistem rudal anti-pesawat S-300 Ukraina, 1 peluncur rudal taktis Tokau, dan stasiun peperangan elektronik dihancurkan di dekat Barvenkovo, kata Majen Igor dikutip Tribun.
The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue a special military operation in Ukraine. During the night, high-precision air-based missiles of the Russian Aerospace Forces hit 4 military facilities of Ukraine, including 2 areas of manpower and military equipment concentration of the enemy, as well as 2 ammunition depots near Kurulka and Novaya Dmitrovka of the Kharkov region. Operational, tactical and army aviation hit 87 military assets of Ukraine, among them 79 areas of manpower and military equipment concentration. About 500 enemy personnel, 59 armored vehicles, artillery mounts and cars were destroyed, as well as more than 60 fighters of the nationalist formation Donbass near Rubtsy of the Donetsk People's Republic. In addition, 2 launchers of Buk M1 and Osa AKM anti-aircraft missile systems were destroyed near Veselaya and Priship, as well as 2 ammunition depots near Novoselovka and Slaviansk. Missile troops and artillery performed 1,299 firing tasks during the day. 37 command posts, 114 strong points of Ukrainian troops, 983 areas of concentration of manpower and military equipment, 139 positions of Ukrainian artillery and 21 ammunition depots were hit. Also, 2 Ukrainian S-300 anti-aircraft missile systems, 1 .U tactical missile launcher and 1 electronic warfare station were destroyed near Barvenkovo. Russian air defense means shot down 13 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles near Novy Mir, Ocheretina, Mirnaya, Donetsk, Novolyubovka, Balakleya and Kazachya Lapань. In addition, 2 Ukrainian .U missiles were shot down by the Buk M1 anti-aircraft missile system in the air over Tokmak, Zaporozhye region and Svatovo, Kharkov region. In total, since the beginning of the special military operation, 141 aircraft, 110 helicopters, 583 unmanned aerial vehicles, 269 anti-aircraft missile systems, 2,576 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 287 multiple rocket launchers, 1,111 field artillery and mortars, as well as 2,392 units of special military vehicles have been destroyed.
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya.